This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katrina Griggs. Move-in ready, no HOA fees, beautifully maintained home with open floor plan. Recess lighting, wine cabinet, granite countertops, jetted tubs, soft close drawers, lots of bells and whistles. Homes are flying off the market in hours, this one will go too. Spacious and lovely for entertaining. 2-car garage and good size yard space with deck. Make this 4-year-old home your first stop. For more information, review the details below or contact Katrina Griggs at 757-549-2000.